Struggling to get your residential cleaning clients? You might be missing on something simple but powerful marketing move that can explode your business locally. Stick around because I am giving you the proven strategies that top cleaners use to dominate their neighborhoods, and you can too. And if you're serious about building a successful cleaning business, don't miss out on how to start your janitorial business, residential and commercial playlist that I put together for all of you. Packed with everything you need to grow your business fast. Let's get into it.
Welcome to Lesson 4.3. In this session, we're diving into marketing strategies specifically tailored for residential clients. While marketing to businesses involves a lot of networking and reputation building within industry circles, marketing to homeowners is a whole different ballgame. Here, you need to be present where potential clients are most active, both online and in their local communities. Let's go through some actionable, proven strategies to help you make your residential cleaning service the go-to choice in your area. The importance of online presence. For residential clients, your online presence can be the difference between getting noticed and getting ignored. Let's face it, homeowners are looking for convenience, reliability, and reviews from people just like them. They're searching on Google, scrolling through social media, and browsing local listing platforms like Yelp, Thumbtack, and Google My Business. Optimizing your Google My Business, GMB listing. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to get discovered locally. It's where homeowners can find your contact details, read reviews, and see what sets your business apart. Take the time to upload high-quality photos of your team, equipment, and before and after shots of your work. Write clear, detailed service descriptions that include your specialties, whether it's deep cleaning, eco-friendly options, or organization services. Keep your contact information up to date and ensure your service areas are clearly listed. SEO for local search. To boost your visibility, include terms like house cleaning, your city, or residential cleaning near me across your GMB profile, website, and any other online listings. These keywords will help your business show up when locals search for cleaning services nearby. The power of online reviews. Let's talk about one of the essential tools in your marketing toolkit: reviews. A recent study showed that 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. That's huge. Requesting reviews. After every job, kindly ask clients to leave a review on Google or Yelp. Make this easy by sending a follow-up message with a direct link to your review page. Some companies even leave a quick note or magnet with a QR code clients can scan to review. Handling negative feedback. Not every review will be a glowing one, but don't worry, this can still be a positive. Show responsiveness by addressing negative feedback professionally and courteously. Potential clients will appreciate seeing that you're committed to customer satisfaction, even when things go slightly off track. Harnessing the power of social media. When it comes to residential clients, social media is your friend. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to show the human side of your business. Here's how to make the most of these platforms. Showcase your work before and after photos are gold on social media. People love a good transformation, and nothing says clean like a gleaming, freshly scrubbed space. Engage with your followers. Social media is a two-way street, so respond to comments, messages, and questions. Not only does this improve engagement, but it also shows potential clients that you're accessible and responsive. Running targeted ads. Want to reach homeowners in specific neighborhoods or age groups? With Facebook and Instagram ads, you can target exactly who you want to reach. Use ads to promote limited time offers, seasonal cleaning packages, or unique services, like post-renovation cleanup. While online presence is crucial, don't underestimate the power of local in-person marketing. Many homeowners are actively engaged in their communities, so get involved and make your business known. Consider sponsoring a Little League team or supporting a local community event. This not only gives back to the community, but also creates goodwill and helps you stand out as a local trusted business. Think about teaming up with real estate agents, home stagers, or even contractors. For instance, a real estate agent might refer new homeowners to your service for a move-in clean. Word-of-mouth referrals are worth their weight in gold, especially in the residential market. People trust recommendations from their friends, family, and neighbors. So turn happy customers into your biggest advocates. Reward clients who refer new customers with a discount on their next service or a free add-on, like window cleaning. Even a small incentive can encourage clients to spread the word. If you have particularly loyal clients, ask if they'd be willing to share a written or video testimonial. Posting these on your website or social media is a great way to build credibility. Residential clients love deals, especially when it comes to keeping their homes clean and tidy. Seasonal and promotional offers can catch the attention of potential customers who might be on the fence about hiring a cleaning service. Offer special discounts during peak seasons like spring cleaning, back to school, or the holiday season. Encourage ongoing business by offering multi-service discounts. For instance, if someone books a deep clean and a carpet cleaning, they get 10% off their total. To recap, optimize your Google My Business listing and ensure your website is SEO friendly. Ask for reviews and show you care by responding to feedback. Use platforms like Facebook and Instagram to showcase your work and engage with your local community. Be active locally through sponsorships, partnerships, and collaborations. Encourage referrals through discounts and testimonials. Leverage special deals and packages to attract new clients year-round. Marketing to residential clients requires a blend of online visibility, local engagement, and genuine client relationships. By building a solid presence across these channels, you can create a brand that homeowners trust and turn occasional cleanings into regular clients. Follow these strategies and watch your residential cleaning business grow.